Hello friends, what is cylinder? You can see here trunks of trees. They are like cylinder. First definition. A cylinder is a closed solid that has two parallel, usually circular, bases connected by a curved surface. This 3D shape solid is very common in everyday life, such as mug, tube. It has two ends called bases that are usually circular. The bases are always congruent and parallel to each other. If you were to unroll the cylinder, you would find the side is actually a rectangle when flattened out. And the height h is the perpendicular distance between the bases. This is height h. It is perpendicular bases. And it is very important to use the perpendicular height or altitude when calculating the volume of an oblique cylinder. And let's see what is oblique cylinder. When the two bases are exactly over each other and the axis is at right angles to the base, this is called a right cylinder. But if one base is displaced sideways, the axis is not at right angles to the bases, then that is oblique cylinder. Here you can see the right cylinder and oblique cylinder, and you can see here that altitude which we can use for finding volume, and some else things for cylinder. We can use this one, not for example this one. Yes, what is oblique, and we don't need oblique things for solving, for using formulas. Okay, how can we find volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder is area of base multiplied by height of cylinder, and so volume of base is not volume, but area of base is PR squared, and we multiply by height. And surface area consists of two bases and one side surface. And two bases we can find with the same formula which we used before, and side surface we use one side, which is rectangles one side, and this is rectangles other side. Let's see the next page. Here we can see that 2p multiplied by r is circumference of base, you see here, and height is the other side of side surface. This is side surface, this rectangle. And these are two bases. We can use also and show how to make the cylinder. For example, here is a paper. Let's see how cylinder is made. We can roll this. We can roll this. Rectangle and see. This is rectangle, and when we roll it, we can make cylinder. So the surface area of cylinder is two basis areas plus side area or side surface, which is area of rectangle. And here is the same formula. And one small task. Let's see such kind of cylinder. The radius is 3, the height is 7, and calculate the volume and surface area for this cylinder. Formula for volume is r squared multiplied by h, and put please in place of r this radius 3, and in place of h this height 7, and result is 63p. And let's find also the surface of this cylinder, and it consists of two bases and one side surface. So find again these radius and height, put them into the places in formula, and find the result. It is 60p. Thank you for watching.